packages have arrived from worldwidejanitor.com. And for me, 2 out of the 3 products are restocks. First up is Laundersaw, the detergent with phosphates. Awesome stuff. Absolutely awesome. Next item, which I mentioned was a restock, is the Snee Chemical Company fabric softener. Has a very light scent, almost non-existent. And the final thing, which is new to me, and it is a powdered detergent from the Snee Chemical Company. It is their HTD Heavy Duty Detergent, powdered variety. This detergent also has phosphates in it and optical brighteners. So since this is heavy duty stuff, 1/4 cup will do your normal load in a traditional non-HE machine, and for heavy duty Mike Rowe type dirt, use 1/2 cup per load. This detergent can also be used for other cleaning jobs, and it states laundry, cleaning pots and pans, washing dishes, scrubbing boat decks, floors, walls, rig wash, washing trucks and trailers, concrete cleaning. So this stuff has the same usage as Tide was when it first come out. It was also used for all this stuff. Pretty cool. And it's another addition to the Flextergent lineup of detergents. Maybe someday JK18 will get some of this stuff. Maybe somebody will buy it for him. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. I can already smell it. It has a lemony type scent, and it's just like sugar. Going to be awesome. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.